Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'll be showing you how to make onolicious Poi Mochi donuts. Here are the following ingredients. Let's start by whisking together our dry ingredients: mochiko powder, flour, poi powder, cornstarch, and baking powder. In a separate bowl, cream together the sugar and butter. Then add in the egg and milk and mix. Slowly add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients. It'll create a slightly and sticky purple dough. If you want perfectly sized balls, weigh each ball to be about 7 to 8 grams. Then form those balls into a ring on a parchment paper. Now start heating up the frying oil to 350 to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop a donut into the heated oil and let it fry for about 2 minutes. The dough will detach from the parchment paper, so remove it from the oil. Continue to fry until one side is golden brown before flipping it. Set all finished fried donuts on a plate lined with paper towels or a wire rack. Let it cool before dipping it in the glaze. And there you have it, your own homemade Poi Mochi donuts. Get creative with different toppings and glazes. Mahalo for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more onolicious recipes.